We are here to explain the segregation and separation of waste materials on our project. The garbage consists of both composable and decomposable materials as in the figure. It consists of the both paper, glass, plastic and metal. Plastic, it is one of the dangerous and undegradable material which causes dangers to the earth and the human beings also. Next, the metal. It is a reusable metal where it can be reused for the construction purpose by remolding the metal. Paper. It is one of the major recycled material compared to the other. 60 to 70% of paper has been recycled throughout the world. Glass. By separating the glass, it can be crushed and remolded, and it can also be used for the craft works also. Organic waste material. As it is been separated, it can be used as a manure purpose for the plantation so that the soil does not lose its fertility. E-waste, which is also called as electronic waste. It is mostly dumped because of the countries moving on to an developed nation. So most of the technologies are using this, and it can be also reused for the preparation of further items. All the garbages are dumped here, and these garbages we cannot identify which of these items are present here. It is difficult to separate by an handwork. So we are here to explain by our project how we can separate the waste materials. The waste materials are carried to a vehicle and dumped to the factory to recycle it. Here are our project segregation of separation of waste materials. First, it consists of a waste box where all the wastes are dumped in this waste box, and this waste moves to a conveyor to a metal roller, and it crushes all the wastes and it makes into pieces, and these pieces moves to again through a conveyor and through the magnetic roller, and all the iron items get stuck to this magnet roller so that the magnet is being separated here, and other remaining waste moves to the rotary blade. To prevent the blade, we use the metal roller. After the remaining which are unbreaked or passed to this rotary blade, and it is been crushed into pieces, and these pieces moves to an conveyor again to the mesh roller, and there it is been again turned for a certain minutes of time, and it is been separated, and the waste materials which is fallen from this mesh roller are been stored in a box, and again the other remaining waste materials moves to the conveyor, and it moves to the second magnetic roller, which are been not stick to the first magnet roller. It sticks in the second magnet roller, and completely the iron items has been separated, and thus the remaining items moves to this conveyor and gets dumped into the water tank, and all the weight items like glasses and other weight items like e-waste other gets sinked, and other remaining items gets floated above, like food items and wood and the plastic and paper gets floated above, and which have been floated above have been passed to the second water tank, and it is been kept there for the certain minute of time so that the weight paper gets absorbed the water, and it gets stored below again, and thus the paper has been separated there, and remaining plastic materials and wood materials has been passed through a conveyor to the dryer, where it dries all the waste, all the plastic and wood items, and the plastic is been by the air pressure it is been pushed away, and wood items and other organic waste items is been collected in the collection box, and it is been used for the manure purpose, and thus we can see this all the waste materials has been separated. Thank you.